see for this village, if me will be international government officer, no tell you the truth. Nobody for this village go tell you. Tio, your shame dey shame me for this village. Anywhere where me and you waka go, na so people go there. They tell me say, wetin me international government officialization go dey do with you? I still so low to dey waka with you. Your shame dey shame me. Yes.
Anywhere where you go.
Na so they go dey tell me say, wetin me and you dey waka for this village up and down.
So, as they tell you like that, wetin you come answer them?
Anyway, I told them say, you, I go change you one day. I go make you become somebody for life. Hence, you mingle with the international government official.
Chai, you go change me.
I go change you.
Chai, unchangeable changer. Agbanwe na-emebi. Even my own friend failed me. Even when my family turned their back at me, idiot they can go, you change me. You tell them, say you go change me. You see your life. You go change me, but you no change yourself from womb. Why you no change your, if there is anybody where they supposed change, now you go back and tell your parents, may they change you from the way where they take upon you. You open your nonsense mouth, tell them say you go change me.
The only advice I they give you to my friend, if I no give you advice, nobody go give you for this village.
Legal advisor. You go give advice. Go carry your mama, sit and down. Share your serious warning. Carry your papa, sit and down. Share your serious warning. See, any of contaminated where they take upon you, they should not use it again. If there's anybody, you must give advice.
Yo, we are not quarreling.
With the quarter. Which can talk be that one? So people can't open myself. Me where be say anybody for this community no say I be ato. Ato where be say I be not be mururu ato ndao. Takwando how him won ato. Commando how him won ato. Anytime where be say I finally enter into this Nigerian Movie Association, makachineke kremu no now. Village na gole so la madara la shote mbru makten mote. If I carry my makten come back this village ote. Muraka mote ti na trotro egbe wote me dey ada kwakam. Oti me dey dem commando ne sheme na Rambo. Shi na Rambo wote mwaga agba.
Kwakam we agba.
Yes now. This I be your mate. Tio.
I'm just advising you as a friend. In which nobody for this village go advise you like international government officialism like me.
Sorry. Advisor. What can the model? Clap for yourself. Bingo. Imekurako take who did it. Or make a advice. But mama call her. I will not blame you. What do you know about that? What do you know about advice? You where they give me advice. What do you know? You come here, come they talk rubbish, say they advise me. See, let me tell my Magunwa, all those people where they call you, they ask you nonsense question. If God no punishment for this village, you're not gonna just make una just wait, make I finally become this actor where I want to become. Make become an actor. Gaga would machine gun mo te wo takwando wa net yo te bia wura aka na go te na trotro te me head akwakam. If I blow una head now una go know say I no be ordinary actor.
You go blow me.
I go blow you. What you go do? I go blow you.
Because I can't give you advice at my friend.
Keep your advice, no advice.
You go inside the house, bring something for me, your friend. Mo eat. Forget this thing. I tell them say I must change you and I must change you. Go and bring food. I be hungry.
You know what I go bring? Shovel. Just no copy one allocation no take go this shit. My own give good assist.
For me,
I go just dig your grave now, carry you, throw inside there, cover you. My government official, you know one time. Come they go. In fact, leave my house.
Are you chasing me out of your house?
I'm not just chasing. I am driving you.
As you go.
Stay.
As you go.
Leave my house now. Okoro.
As you go.
Stand up and leave this place.
No problem now. I come to give you advice as international government officialism. In charge you go. I go.
Welcome to get out of this place.
Okay.
So for a call. ị na-agbaje ga wilo na road ị na-arọji ka ebirigo gbakala all this line wey ị na-aka ihe nga ga-egwuru gị ala ili iji ụkwụ akaje line thunder fire you there. People that advise you, my shame, they shame you. Imagine kettle they call pot black. I'm not gonna blame you now. Now me come bring myself to you. International actor will be like me. Will be say everybody essential commodity. People they rush me. If I come out now, some people they rush me. They rush me anywhere where I enter. They rush me. I not be ordinary person. I come find person with me. Because I say make I just come many again takere. Cause that like an asoga so because I'm now we are all God's creature. Ibanga go a woman so many now. Also many ne will na heze for shukwa no.
Theophlius, what are you doing here? Eh? Are you not going to school today? Hey Theophlius, are you not going to school today?
No, they shout. No be every time person go wake up in the morning give road titi be done. Ejo titi be do ko target dey change. I am in body show 1 hour. I don't tell you before, say I no want go school. School not be my destiny. Wetin dey there for you to understand? No dey hurry me. Na ata I wan be. In fact, na ata I be. Person wey dey ato when he ejikọ na school. Ato dị iche, school dị iche. Hapụ maazị ọkpụkpọ oku Chineke kpọrọ ma ọ atọ n'ime atọ ka ọ kpọgara m.
Ato. Ke na ato gịnị? In this house? Theophlius, what is wrong with you? Why can't you go to school like your mates and be reasonable like them? I'm an yamuta. And Theophlius, go to school and be reasonable like others.
Sometimes you go to talk like person will not come off for head. Why you no go talk like yes? In fact, if say you know be my mama, I go say not. In fact, my papa did get it. If not be say I know how my papa take that, I go say he chop you before he die. Because you know they talk like mama. Wetin dey there for person to be out? Wetin dey there? Oliver the Coke where you dey hear of. Oliver the Coke no be out him be. Zubi Michael wey be Ezendiara, wey be say everywhere where you go you dey hear say Ezendiara, Ezendiara. As in they do like mad person, no be the same thing. Now the same call we get. Jerry Williams wey be say anytime when you say if no be say my head this shine as a real. The only thing where I go take from my papa nation kwacha. Money no live for me. You no live a good akaraka. Ya we show am ogula ihe onyere. Still na manage kwe. I for don't leave my hair play them like Jerry Williams own. May hotel. No na face cap mo hotel. Eli ha na akwa akwụkwọ Facebook. Mfest book hotel. No tell me home kan to. Yinda o chato. Ko wuzi Jezebel. Ko wuzi ala he Mike Ejaga. All this because the patient so zonkwo nwaanyị wo ojiri ọgwụ ojiri dibia mere ebe mgbabụ ụmụ ogbenye mana mụ achọdị atụ dị ejem chiri atụ nke na-eji bọmba agba mbute makofo oteti ote gba nga mụrụ atọ like this gifento kim no nga na-ekwughị ekwoli ekwoso m gbapụ enwedị ihe gbasara school gbasara karaka so leave me live my destiny make I follow am as God take do am a na-eme massive na mama dị ihe nwụrụgodo nkata even if I be dog a na-ahapụ ya eji aka ya mụrụ ụzọ okwute ihe gị guzoro nka m mụrụla ga arithmetic ịteta okwute ị ga-aga go school enwedị ihe ọ dị ere mma ụmụ nwaanyị ibe okwute ha mapụga money mass nụrụ oriri na wada ahụ Kraịst were ndụ gị were go school jiri ya na-anwụ adị m aga nwedị ihe jikọrọ m na school isi akpochiene m na ọkpochiene kọchiri m echite taa kọchiri otu ihe pupupu ABC agịdị m agụpụtalie 1 + 1 ọwụ na 11 ọ ihe m mụtali a na-eme nwatakịrị pụtara ụwa tiv na mama dị echi chukwu kere m ka ọ kere ihe m ga-awụ asị mgbe m nọ n'ime afọ ote ka ahụrụ na mote oluchi n'eluigwe daa Theophlius m zakwana n'ime afọ ele ihe ị ga-awụ what are you to become m sị ha na ọwa atọ chukwu na-ekpere eto eti ihe mere n'akara aka m sị m skuul ụkwụ ga-edekwuna ịga skuul enwedị ihe ị ga-amụta onye nji madụ m amụtala elite atọ wee ya nyere m ote lekwe ọ bụ aka m lekwe ihe ewe egbe lekwe awa egbe nọ ihe nga lekwe egbe lekwe mgbọ lekwe bọmbụ ihe m gaje na skuul gị ite ahụ ya sị m gwere ese tasịrị nta bọmbụ ote ka wa ya ote mhụ ma bịa n'ime Sambita Torres ya akaba ọkụ enwuru anọ ga na-eme m ka ụmụ ụmụazị gaa lele mmechi m ga-ebido atọ ngwa ka m ga-ejuzi ebido ngwa egbe wee lụọ what him take a kind of microphone what you the throttle your tape me back up what then is give what going on then what is that
Ogene tinyere anyị egwu baba Ogene tinyere anyị egwu baba onye na-akụ ogene baba Biko tinyere anyị egwu baba Is it for this village?
We buy this music.
Nko him ga-akụ
We too much. Baba who buy this Igbo self?
Mama
Mama Tio.
This why they pass us like this.
Mama Tio, I no understand as you dey pass out. Who dey find you your trouble for this village? Come tell us. Mama Tio, you know say your problem na our problem. We go carry am for our head. Tell us the problem. Mama Tio, wetin dey happen?
Mama Tio, this way they do like you want smoke, I mean you want smoke. Tell us so.
Mama Tio make a pass you.
Macham, tell us.
Nah, my son, Tio.
What happened?
He no want go school. And I want him to go to school and learn.
Theophlius.
I don't want him to be useless.
Mama Tio, see,
Mama Tio. See, I dey like long talk. They vex me. Just get straight to the point. If you go straight to the point, go now I go tell you help you. No dey call you, I no dey say one. I no dey like am. Go straight to the point, Aba.
Mama Tio.
No verse. I want you to help me carry Tio to school.
Mama Tio Google. Is that all?
Yes.
Mama Tio. Macham, no too much talk.
Now this is the talk small.
No, we just follow this woman.
Mama Tio, where they go?
Okay, can you take again?
What you will not do? What is your problem? I don't know. See. Comport yourself.
No, I make one move, make a blow it down. Say, so be very rich. You don't want to go to school. I'm gonna free am. Okay, no free. Give him uniform. If you make one say, I go blast your face.
Yeah.
Get mad.
Where your uniform
You don't go be you don't want to go to school.
anything
No, you don't go get.
anything now go slap you
Put your leg.
you no wan go school
Put your leg.
start the leg put there
Put your leg. Put your leg.
Put your leg.
I don't go there make hotel na abacha.
Okay.
put your leg also they do like come on hand come on release this hand also
We need to go get bread in minimum.
Oh yeah, put your hand.
put your hand there
Go to school.
papa like you no wan go school
No,
come sit down for house
Put your shoulder. Put it down.
Comport now. Wetin be your problem?
fit comot that fit
Put yourself.
comot
Place.
I go woz you.
hell no the 5% go beat
Tio.
what school
Iye just school.
he go go school
Iye just school.
see him bad
see uniform. No uniform, okay? Yes, stop again me.
No, I hear pain.
As big as you are, you can't wash your clothes and wash it clean. You hear me? You hear me? Shalom. Naija.
Madam, talk that thing in. Talk at me. Talk at me. Good. Give him a bag. Take. Put that voice on that bag.
See the other one. See the other one. Put your leg in.
Take him to school. Really, move.
Don't move.
School is not by force. Go by force. Theophlius go to school. And it's Theophlius, so don't forget to bring your assignment when coming back. Copy one note to go. Make sure you copy all your notes. Nonsense. Jaku komba. Iyeje. Makita biko Ghana.
Hello. They go school. Hello. I flog you. You don't go school. You don't go school. No, don't go school.
Go to school today.
Don't go school by force. And I tell you, Jama, you go peacefully. You know, Grigo. No, function. I don't go.
Am I not talking to somebody? I said, what are you doing here? And besides, where is your school shoe or sandal anyway? You are wearing the twin slippers.
Your mama buy sandal for me. Negosulam sandal. Negosulam sandal. But you won't go. Mind yourself for leave me make a day my day. May you day your day.
Wait. Do you know who you are talking to?
Who you be? Who you be? Why am I your hand near him? Who you be?
So you don't know that I'm your senior?
Senior on my foot. Senior under my capacity. You were electric senior. What you senior? You were senior on senior.
Others are inside learning and you're here standing like a masquerade.
You, where are you? No, you where they talk to me. Where are you? Are you into the class? Are you learning in the class? You outside, me outside, the two both of us outside.
Now,
what now, Bago?
Get inside.
Get inside.
I will tell you that SS3 is not just one.
I will tell you that Nigerian Movie Actor Association is not Ijo Talaga Hogana School. Our actor come wo.
I will tell you that SS3 is not just two.
I will tell you that onye wato, no onye ordinary senior Shishin Kate, our hoti, our mato.
Okay, you just want to know what I will do. Now
Come
get
not do
inside.
anything.
I said get inside.
Nkakwaya ka eburu me eburu shi na school. Come on gaga umokorobia amopali ha me loteshi butem ga. Bom nozo tape anwupa. Mo we bule photo me lu gon iwe. Come on gaga. Mwabiri ga wona ga maga bola.
I bugi ko zuna. Let me just go there and come back. Can fuge ba na e ga fifa me.
Just go back and come here before you go le malili and ga league.
Let me just hear your voice again.
Idiots.
Let me just hear your voice again.
Don't worry. Pokori senior. Gage too much ga na shi sweet. Yeah, they I don't get anywhere. I don't get anywhere. I don't get anywhere.
Theophlius, na akwụkwọ ọkọlọkọ. Theophlius ọkwa gị ka m na-agbawo. Akwụkwọ dịkwa mkpa. Onye ọbụla dị ndụ kwesịrị ije akwụkwọ. Akwụkwọ dịkwa mkpa. Theophlius nwoke dị mma bịa. Akwụkwọ dịkwa mkpa. Theophlius piano na akwụkwọ dịkwa mkpa.
Hey, Theo! What are you doing here? What is in the class? Why are you here sleeping? Huh? I'm talking to you.
I know come school here with my mind though. Na carry me come home. Na mama go call those boys where they smoke Igbo for village. Say make they bundle me here. No be from my mind I take come school. So I don't want. I say make I dey here. Come some on the Tobre College. Come on magma back class magma allow.
Look at you.
You're not ashamed of yourself. They forced you to school.
As they force me come here, I don't lose energy. So I say make I dey here rest in peace small to know whether I go enter or I go back home.
You are resting in peace in school. Go to the mortuary and rest in peace now. Uh-huh.
No be that type I talk. I say come no longer as routine can andokwa. I say them start me rest in peace. Konye una 1 week can get in andokwa anga.
Go to the class.
Yes.
I said go to the class.
I don't come in class. I don't come in class. I don't want to go anywhere. I don't want to go anywhere.
Theophlius, go to the class.
I don't want that. I don't want that. Okay. I don't want that. I don't want.
Coming.
My brain don't block. Now actor, now here I be actor. Anything waiting for this now to be actor. Yeah, now because you go and I don't know.
Okay, now I'm coming back.
I want be. Every day when I go to flog person like that, be small pikin. We men crank. You come on, come. You don't talk as Frank. Gaku muduru nerim kakwa gadri hemnes Frank wo premier na school. Mwaga kala pomote wo te bomb neja to commando te. Ayo te we. Kapaya ni sote. Kamwe suwe sa Frank e buruze nyanya na nga huke. Bia mama go no muto ke buge ma ma baga. Alma baga klasola. Alma baga klasola. Alma baga. Oh, na by force to learn book. Ma baga. I know they ain't anyway. Now my phone to let. I'm not going to pocket him on that because you want that total.
Yo! Move. Come on, fight. Walk fast. Walk fast. Mama. This year. Go.
Hey! Hello! Nda akwụkwọ anọta? Nna? Nna agbasagwele? Good. No, No. I hope you copied your notes today. When you're going on homework. Talk now.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. What you do to me today, is it good? What you did to me today, is it good? Kill it and win, whole of your picking. The only thing what you go do for me is look at that pumps. They can't lift me up like a pumps people. Can't carry me, go for that fucking school. Everybody can't flog me, senior flog me, teacher flog me. How remember flog? Is it good? Is it good?
Everything I did is for your own good, though. For the betterment of your tomorrow.
What tomorrow? What tomorrow? Eh? Wait nonsense tomorrow. I don't tell you this time with number. Say I don't want to go to school. My head don't block. No matter how you drag me,
push me, bundle me, catapult me, jack me, go school. I no go learn anything. This head don't block, it don't block. I don't want go school, I don't want learn. Nato I be, Nato I be. I be commando. Na commando I be. I be commando, I be Jakata. I be commando. I be Bruce Lee. I be Bruce Lee. I love in school.
Big one. Try and make school your destiny. In an year Nagwage. Try and make school your destiny. Go inside and change your clothes. Go to the kitchen. Take your food. Are you not hungry?
I'm not hungry.
I know you are hungry.
No, don't touch me. Tomorrow come first me again. I don't go again.
Come and carry your school bag. Hey! I go on at it. I go. You must go to school. You must go to school. When you finish, bring your homework. Let's get there.
Alright, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you.